Hello everyone, Sriram here, and we have Soundarya in the hot seat today. So the day has come for her to talk about her success. Before going there, first let's wish her for her the great success, because I know the journey was a little rough sometime, as to go up and down. Is it possible? Not possible? Right? The two last few days, many people clearing exams. It's something like a cricket match. Last five ball and 18 runs to score. Right? You have two wickets in your hands. You run between the wickets, kind of stuff it is. So congratulations, Soundarya. I just want to bring out your certificate. Here is a certificate. She cleared on 21st of December, and it's a very good journey from her. If you want to listen to her, she's going to talk a lot about where she started, what all happened. But before that, I want to give the wish to her and tell that leadership is something very interesting that you trust on yourself, right? So Soundarya had a good trust on herself that she can do it. There could be a lot of blockers in corporate life, personal life, but at the same time, when you feel you can do it, yes, it's possible. So the ideal example is a Soundarya. Good wishes, Soundarya, from Sri Running team, and keep rocking more. So give some idea about what happened to you.
Sure, Shriram, sure. So first of all, thanks to Shri Learning, Shriram, Rahul, everybody involved there. So it's definitely impossible without all of your support. So initially, when I started the September batch, so I consciously attended all of your classes. I never missed any of your classes, all that. But even then, I was thinking, should I just attend the classes or should I really give the exam? So I was not really confident. So, and then I requested for your classes again in October batch. So just, I attended your classes again and again and again. So, so the concepts and the real world examples and all, whatever you gave, it was like very helpful for me. Even now I remember all those things. It was really very, very helpful for me. Thank you so much, She Learning and the team. Without your support and the She Learning and the Rahul, anywhere he's there, anytime. So without all of your support, it's definitely not possible. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Great, great. Thanks for giving that credit because it's something like more than what we give. The way what you take is very important, right? So we can keep pouring out. We take classes for a bunch of people. Some take it in the right sense to prepare. Some could not because of various reasons. So thanks for doing that. So how come this thought process of PMP came to you?
Sure, sure. So long time it was has been running in my mind, Shriram. Last year itself, it came to my mind. I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it. I was like, I inquired about you. You were taking classes in Bangalore. I inquired Rahul. So I was not able to travel since I had a small baby. I was not able to travel, and then I was like postponing, and then COVID time came. Then it's the best time to start. Then June I approached you. Then also I was not quite comfortable whether I can do it. PMP is very hard. I was not very comfortable. And then I saw your success stories. I saw many LinkedIn reviews, all those things I checked, and I was like, okay, this is the right place for me. Definitely PMP, She Learning. This is the right place for me. So, and then I went ahead. So that's how it started. So, and then I enrolled your classes in September, and then again joined your classes in October, as I mentioned earlier.
Perfect,
So, yeah,
perfect, great. So which city you are from?
Chennai, Chennai.
Chennai. So what is the best in Chennai?
Chennai, you have a lot of, actually, I'm born and brought up in Chennai.
Okay.
Uh,
What do
so,
you like?
uh,
What do you like in Chennai?
Chennai, the best place is like you can see like the temples are very famous. I usually like
Beach, beach.
beach, of course, of
Ah,
course,
yeah,
yes,
okay. Coastal area.
yes,
And
of
what else?
course.
What else
Marina
is
Beach,
okay?
yes.
Anything special you think of Chennai?
The food, some foods are very famous here. The idli sambar.
Right,
Some,
right. It's a pretty old city and found from the British time, and it has its own value. And it's an interesting city in the sense of it won't feel so buzzing like Kolkata or Mumbai or Delhi, but still it has its own value. Great.
Earlier it was Madras, now it's Chennai, no? Yeah, Madras.
Big universities are there, amazing stuffs are there. Okay, great. Good to know about Chennai. Now, talk about your role, what you play in corporate. How do you feel this PMP will help you?
Sure, definitely, definitely. So I'll tell about my career life. So earlier when I started working, I started my career as a full stack developer. So in a startup company. Then I slowly moved to a PMO role, and then only the management role started coming up, right? So in the PMO, I like learned a lot, like how do we like in a delivery role. I was in a startup. So it was like I really learned a lot in a PMO. Like I was purely responsible for delivery, managing multiple GOs and all those things. So and then I moved to Mindtree. Mindtree, I played multiple roles, Scrum Master. Now I'm into pre-sales. So pre-sales, how it's helping me, even the stakeholder management, the communication management, how do you interact with multiple cross-functional teams, all those things, everything is helpful, right? So even then I'm trying to apply all the knowledge, whatever I gained in the in the role, whatever I'm playing here. And even then, having said that, there are a lot of plenty of opportunities as a PMP. You get
Fantastic.
plenty of opportunities.
So, how do your company see that when you say you PMP certified? Do they see the value?
Definitely, of course. So everybody is asking me, Saundria, you want to come to my team? You want to come to?
High demand, huh? Okay, perfect. Okay, give some hint about last 1 week of your preparation.
Sure, definitely. So I'll tell about the journey. So initially, I started like I started reading with PIMBOK only. Like initially, I started with Head First, but I didn't read it fully. I was like, not much content is there. So I then moved to PIMBOK. Like a lot of pictorial stuffs are there. So like and then I moved to PIMBOK. PIMBOK is like to the point. I like the way the content, and I got a very good networking connection thanks to She Learning a lot for that. So whoever success story, like I reach out to people through your success story. Like they also give me some tips and inputs, like on how do we proceed further, like any doubts or something, if I have. And you are there for all of my help and support. And also I got a wonderful study partner. So we used to do combined study. So all those things. So and we went by knowledge area wise in the PIMBOK. So each knowledge area one by one. And then we used to like what I do, I also take Rita and Head First chapter test. Some of them I might have missed, but mostly everything I would have taken. And also I used to take the PDF test, which Rahul has given in the OneDrive. So I used to take the PDF test. And what else I did? And yeah, so and then the PIMBOK I read again and again and again. So I read once fully, and then 1 week before the exam, what I did, there is PIMBOK part 2. uh, it's a process group wise. So initiation, planning, like that, right? So initiation, they give very short content in PIMBOK part 2. I go back to the main content, right? So develop project charter, identify stakeholders. I go back to that main content. So it's like a second time revision.
Okay.
So it's like just turning over the pages and read it again. And then as you suggested, I read integration again, and the execution vertical again. And what else?
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Great. This is the last 1 week. In last 1 week, how many hours you spend per day?
It was like almost full day, Shriram. Morning till night. I was on leave actually for the past 9 days before my exam. So almost from morning, if I start around 8 or 9 a.m. till night, I'll be with books only.
Good. Great efforts. Great efforts. Okay, how was your exam? Was it a center-based, online?
Center based, Shriram.
Okay, what is the experience in Chennai going to a center?
Yeah, actually, Chennai, there are very less centers. I was like initially worried because one center was in Siriseri, which is very, very far from my place.
Four centers will be
And
there. 4 or 5 will be there.
some actually, when I checked, I was like, only one was very near to my home from Mylapore, from the Marina Beach side.
Oh,
So, and there, so which is in Aminjikarai. And other things are all like Siriseri and very far from out of the city. Velur, a lot of places were showing up.
Vellore is
So
near Bangalore. Okay, then how you
thankfully,
manage?
I got the seat. Actually, I'll tell you one thing, Shriram. I booked my proctor-based exam on December 24th.
Mm.
Okay. And then I was keep on checking whether I get center based because I was not very satisfied, and that too you suggested that from Mac laptop it is not advisable to take the exam, right? So and then I was like I didn't have any other personal laptop also, only office laptop I had, right? So and then I was like continuously looking out for center based. Okay, is it available? Is it available? And then finally I got on 18th and 21st it was there, and then 21st I booked. Actually, I preponed my exam just because of center. So yeah, and then I got center, and it was very nice. The center is very professional, very good. They it was very professional. Actually, many people came there for different exams
Ah,
like IELTS, etc., right?
okay.
So like yeah.
Okay, great. So on the exam, do you found the questions, the first 89, lengthy questions or a short question? How was it?
It was lengthy, Sriram.
Uh-huh. Uh,
It was
what's
like
the lengthy definition of
uh,
lengthy?
two, three lines was there. Some of them were like one liner, like very few questions are like one liner also.
That's fine.
And
2 to 3 lines are very common.
and some questions were like answers were also big. Questions were also big. And I'll tell you one thing, I was nervous. I was nervous. And I was rereading the questions many times, two times, three
That's
times.
why it
My
looked lengthy.
oh sorry.
That is why it was looking lengthy for you. You read the same question 3 times.
Three times read. And then what happened, Shriram, when I wanted to complete my 89 questions in at least 130 minutes when the timer start ticking 130. And then what happened, I completed in 129th minute as targeted.
Uh,
But I was not confident in the answers. I was like, my mind was not working in some of the questions.
mm,
So I reviewed the flagged questions, nearly 10, 15 questions, whatever I flagged.
mm.
By the time I finished the review, the timer was 113.
Ah, ah.
So I
Okay.
had nearly triple
Less
one
than
minutes
less
left for the
than two
triple one.
hours. Less than 2 hours.
Correct.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Less than 2 hours for the triple one questions.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So, but I wanted to make sure whatever is the 89 questions, I review it and make sure it is correct.
Mm,
So that is one of the reason I wanted to, check again whether it is correct, you know. And then I reviewed all the flagged questions, whatever I had in the 89, I reviewed. And then what I did, and then they had, once I click the next or something, it will ask you two questions and proceed with the test or begin break.
mm,
So there were two blue buttons or something at the below. So and then begin break I clicked. So and then after I clicked begin break, there is one mistake I did here. After I clicked begin break only, I raised my hand like this.
What time started running?
Time started running, break time started running. We are not supposed to get up from our seat without the invigilator permission.
Okay.
So I was like, I should have raised the hand
That's
a
okay.
bit.
That's okay. A few seconds will not make you bad, right? Mm.
Yeah. And then they came and they took me out. They gave me an ID card. And
Okay.
then I went out to my locker. I had some chocolates, tuck, and I ate. So I was like, my mind was like, I
Hey,
was.
did you had any preference which chocolate to eat? Cadbury's, Dairy Milk? Any
I
choice
had
or you
something
just
like Kit Kat only I took. Kit Kat or Snickers, I thought. So the default, and also I carried some dry fruits also.
wow,
So
very
but I
very
didn't touch
healthy,
that.
very
I
healthy
didn't even
exam.
touch it. I was like, because I thought the timer will keep running and I didn't have much time also, right? So suddenly, and then I came back and I saw I had 5 more minutes left. I utilized only 5 minutes.
You're pretty fast. Okay, talk about second set of questions. Was it easy? Again, it is tougher.
Second set of questions, I was not feeling very nervous, like first 89. I was like, but one thing I'll tell you, the 89 questions were coming to my mind when I was doing the triple one questions. No, I was thinking, oh mind, please stop thinking about that. And and then I had a deep breath. I prayed God. I closed my eyes. I prayed God, and then I restarted my exam. So
God, I
it
don't know that day God was very busy last 1 week. Every exam center people are calling him. God was confused where to go, which exam center I had to go. They keep on calling me center, calling me into a proctor exam.
exam. True, true.
Okay, well, good. So talk about any subject which was so tougher for you in the exam.
Any subject which was so tougher? Uh, Actually, I got lot of change management questions. Lot of questions I
Mm.
got.
What kind
And
of questions come in change management? Are they asking on the
nearly
project,
30, huh?
uh,
Sorry.
process? What they ask in change management? What
So
kind of?
change management questions, you get a lot of like, for example, it is already a change is already approved. Whether how do you want to proceed further? So you want to do analysis, you want to issue a change request like that.
Okay,
So
okay,
yeah.
okay. Was it
So
comfortable for you? Are you able to answer change management?
yeah, yeah, of course. Actually, one thing what happened in the triple one questions, what I had, I told you, no, I was running out of time. I had only 113 minutes left. So in the last 15 to 20 questions, I didn't have much time. So I was just reading very key points in the question and just choosing the answers. So, and some questions were like issue change request, impact analysis. We have to read the question very carefully. And some questions were like answers were also big, like one liner, two liner, like nearly first line and then second line also some parts of that. So we have to read it very carefully. So I time management is very important. We have to focus, manage the time properly. So that's what I've been telling, like
Okay,
people who are approaching me also. So the time management is very, very important.
okay, got it. Yeah, that's important, right? Got you. So good. That's pretty good. You took all 200 questions in 4 hours of time. You took the break. Change
I
management
didn't
was
click
there.
submit, it automatically said
Went
time
on.
out.
Went on. Okay.
And it took some few seconds.
Uh-huh.
Like it was like keep on rolling, and I was just closing my eyes and praying God. Oh. And then it said congratulations, you have earned a beautiful tremendous accomplishment and all it said. And there's some survey came, and then I called the invigilator. He said wait, your results will come. Some black screen is still running. So what, I saw the result already, why is he still? And then I was like waiting. The black screen was still rolling, rolling, rolling.
It will
And
show the
then
scores, right? About target, kind of.
I didn't get any of
You
this.
didn't
No.
show that. Okay. Okay, then it is good. So that makes your PMP complete. Okay, I'm sure that day would have been a celebration day at home, right? Everybody would have felt, oh my God, she's going to close the book now.
My mom, everybody were praying for me at home. Oh, so big thing. So I did a lot of sacrificing my daughter, for like I didn't go next to her at all. So only my parents took care of her,
That's
you
it.
know.
And it's not easy
It
stuff.
was a big
Super.
thing.
Great, great. Hey, thanks, Soundarya. Actually, you gave some inputs on how things happen for you. And if you want to recommend which book to read, what is the first book comes to your mind?
I'll say Pimbok Shriram for sure.
Yeah.
Actually, I will tell something. If I don't understand something in Pimbok, actually, when I'm studying no Pimbok, I'll keep your PPT also with me, the
Oh,
Shridhar PPT. I'll
uh,
keep it with me. And what I do, some notes I written by hand, the integration management, very key integration risk and all, I wrote by my hand.
mm,
And the other things and all I uploaded in Excel. So Excel, I started typing my notes in Excel.
mm.
So I used to cut paste your ITTOs which you highlighted, it is important and all, right?
Right, right.
So all your notes I used to cut paste, and Pimbok also some points I used to copy paste all the
Good,
important key points. So I
good.
used to have the Excel sheet for each of the knowledge area. So the Pimbok, whatever if I don't understand, I go back to Rita. Rita explains tools and techniques very well with the diagrams. The frequently used tools and techniques she has explained very well.
Right.
And there is one more thing, like all the tools and techniques she has explained very well. And if you go to chapter wise, she has given some tabular column. Like for example, risk management. She has given all the risk management processes. What is the differentiation? So in this process, what we do, like a short table. So those things and all I found very useful in Rita, but I didn't completely rely on Rita for any doubts or something. Only I went, and PMBOK, it is to the point. It's like, it's very good, especially integration, risk,
Yeah.
all very, very good,
The
very good.
language will be pretty nice.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, good, fantastic. So, how does your PMI sample exam help you when you go to main exams?
Yeah, definitely. So PMI sample exam, as you suggested, Sriram, I took twice. So the first time when I took, I got around. Actually, I was like the questions kept coming in the group as well. So I know some. I'm familiar with some of the questions, right? So I got like good scores in both one and two. The two times when I took, and it was like. The language is somewhat familiar with the main exam. Yes, I agree with that. Because one thing is, some of them are very one-liner, short. I used to keep a timer when I'm taking the PMI exam because there's no timer in the PMI sample exam. So I used to keep a timer next to me when I'm taking that. And I used to complete within 3.5 hours because many of them were like one-liner in that, right? So and yeah, so that is one thing. And compared to the coming to prepcast is very good. So prepcast helped me a lot. I took all the prepcast 1 to 7. I took all the prepcasts, and I took LinkedIn Learning. There is a free mock which they are giving, and what else I have taken. I think that's it. And PMI twice, totally 10.
That's fine. That's fine. That's pretty sufficient. More, not more than that needed. Fantastic. Great. Super, Soundarya. Thanks a lot for coming up here on a Sunday, giving valuable inputs. If you want to say a couple of do's and don'ts as a first shot, what do you give for people? Not only now, even for 2021, the same pattern is going to continue. So, what do you want to give for people on the preparation side? Being a
Mm,
mom, being a working person, what do you?
okay, sure. For example, like actually what like I'll tell, like please follow Shriram. So that's the one thing. Like whatever he says, follow. So whatever like like I keep in touch with you, like for everything. Shriram, I'm doing this. So everything I will be in touch with Shriram. So it's like he'll guide you very, very well. So that is number one. Then number two, like take Prepcast as early as possible. I took Prepcast. I didn't have time to review the 6 and 7 fully. I reviewed only the wrong answers. The remaining five I reviewed almost all. So, like, it's good to take Prepcast as early as possible so that we can analyze, review, the question reading ability increases, lot of things we can do. So, like, if we keep on reading, the PMBOK is like a vast subject. We can keep on reading.
No, no end for it. Keep going on.
Yeah, true.
That's right. That's right. Super. Great. Thanks a lot, Soundarya, for coming up here, and I appreciate your time on giving feedback and help to other people. I can see that you're already helping some of them for various actions. I appreciate it, and good wishes from Sri Learning team. Keep winning more. Let this be a starting point. Let 2020 kickstart something new for you. Implement what you learned. That's very important. It could be of a corporate life, personal life. Implement it. Of course, more certifications are needed, but implementation is very important. If you don't implement, there is no point in this hard work, right? You have to implement it. That's very important.
I will
So with
definitely.
this, keep rocking more. Good wishes. Thanks for coming up here.
Thank you so much, Shika.